Alright, you knob. And
you've never let on.
2 knobs. Alright? You pair of knobs.
Yeah, scrap that bike, bud.
Oh yeah. It won't be covered under warranty, will it?
No, because you let it go flat. That's what I was saying, it said in the thing to keep them on the trickle charge, you cannot using them for more than 48 hours.
48 hours, that's a joke.
Your bike start alright, Stuart?
Yeah, spot on, mate.
Just let me check if mine does. Yeah.
Oh yeah, you both got working bikes?
Yeah.
Oh, have you shit?
It's your bike.
Not my bike shit. They're alright Honda Civics, aren't they?
Yeah, I'll wait here all day.
Not bad little cars. There's Stu. What's Yeti on the back, Stuart?
Oh, it's a sticker that came through with my flask.
What, with your flask?
Got a flask with me, a couple of mugs just in case. I was trying to find some mugs earlier, the only ones I could find.
We've got two.
There weren't Holly's ones, yeah, it was you two. I've got the, is it Nick's one? He's good with wood?
Yeah, yeah. What's more annoying about that bike and that battery is, even if it did go flat, you wouldn't expect it to be knackered.
Not for the price of it.
You need to leave it on that trickle charger for a few days.
That's what I did with mine, it's been fine since.
What, you left it on a trickle charger once and it's been fine ever since?
Yeah, mine just completely died for no reason. I put it on, I borrowed his BMW charger thing, plugged it in, and I haven't had a, well, touch wood, I haven't had a problem since.
Well, hopefully that fixes it. Welcome back everyone. We've got Stuart with us for his second interview today.
It was proper embarrassing because Jay's bike broke.
Yeah, my bike didn't start again. I'm sick of it.
So an hour and 10 minutes later.
Yeah, what time is it? 9:15. We were supposed to leave at like 10 to 8.
And how much you think they ripped us off of them jump leads?
Go on.
45 quid.
No, they didn't.
Yeah.
It's the fact I'm having to carry them like the RAC. You know you've made it now, Jay, because you've got your own pit team with you.
That's why I don't wear these brand new pants. Have you seen this?
A proper slipper.
Yeah, it's dangerous.
Baz, are you sure that battery thing, it says it's in the T's and C's or something, that you've got to leave it on a trickle charger?
Yeah, just remember, what happened to my...
Silver one?
No, the RR and the silver one. I've had both batteries on both them bikes, and there's no way it'd be under warranty because there'd be nothing stopping you leaving your ignition on them or fitting your own aftermarket.
They'll call it a serviceable part, won't they?
Yeah, yeah.
Well, it shouldn't be.
I mean, what's the battery going to be? I mean, they're only like 20-30 quid, aren't they?
I think straight from BMW is 50 something quid.
What, to get a battery?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Do you
not
really
bad.
need it fitting?
They had the bike when I had mine done, yeah. So I just had to throw one on it while you're there.
Should have kept the old one, we could have used it for Jay's bike.
It needs scrapping, that bike, but you don't believe me. You've done 5,000 miles now.
Nearly 6.
Yeah, I've nearly caught you up.
What are you on?
3,400. It's only 4 months old.
We're on our own.
Sure you got the right day? Oh, bum. You didn't see all that, girl. You move mine over, Stuart.
I don't think it's going to matter even if we take in 12 spaces, is it? Because it's...
Just put yours there.
No.
I just don't want some geriatrics to turn up and mow them all down.
Shall leave mine running for a few days. Well, we've got the jump leads, haven't we? And then we've got a car coming if it doesn't start. What's this? Trevenna Cross Garden Centre. We're doing a grown-up thing today. We'll give this a rating out of 16. Come on. Come on. Oh, it didn't sound too good then. Oh, look at that. It's not wrong with this bike.
Have you checked your starts? Oh, you don't need to, do you?
I normally just press the button. Sounds good.
Is it diesel, that? It's got busy here, hasn't it, all of a sudden?
Yeah, they're normally quite popular in the afternoon. It's rammed for Sunday lunches and stuff. It's just somewhere nice and quiet and first thing, isn't it?
Yeah, it was nice. In fact, out of 16, I'd be willing to give it a solid 15 out of 16. Did you just nearly fall off, Baz?
No, I can't. Stretch. 23 degrees.
22. What are you saying, Stuart?
22.
Yeah, so yours is out, Baz, by 1.
Nah.
Time for a new bike.
Yeah, you better scrap that shit
bit
bike.
of the road. You're in the shade. Where?
Straight over. Did that sign just say water Ma Trout? Stuart.
You've got to keep them wet.
Is that what it said though?
Yeah, water Ma Trout industrial estate.
Water Ma Trout.
That's what Holly's first job was when she moved down to Cornwall.
I bet it was. Straight over, Baz. Oh, tractor. Oh, watch that sticking out the side of it. Stuart.
Jay.
You need to tell us more about water Ma Trout because I think water Ma Trout would be a good name for the video.
Water Ma Trout?
Yeah. Give us some interesting facts about water Ma Trout. What is it? Is it an area or?
Just the name of the industrial estate, really. I don't know. We'll have a Google of it in a minute.
Right next to Smash My Back Doors.
Jay, I know we were up early this morning, but did you remember to water the...
Oh,
this way.
Didn't even look. Didn't even look.
Yeah. Say sorry.
Did he say sorry, Stuart?
No, he looked surprised though.
He looks surprised. Who's my guys there, Baz? Need to catch them up, Stu.
Yeah.
We're going to have to make up some ground there, Stuart. Come on, come on. What are they on?
Super Dukes, 1290s.
12.2s? They've gone straight on as well. Why is this prick stopped? What the... Oh, I thought he was going to do McDoodles up here.
Yeah, I did. Oh, they're not even going our way anyway.
They are?
That was a waste.
We're going that way.
We're not, they're going left. We're going straight on.
Our left, we're going up there.
Left, sir? You don't indicate left to go straight on.
He's gone. No, he's not gone. Are they both KTMs, yeah?
Yeah.
They might know these lanes like the back of the tubes.
They're not going out fast, are they?
I always remember that bend because it catches me out every time. Because it's the sharpest one, isn't it, until you get to here.
Yeah.
Well everyone, we're just plodding along with a couple of KTM 1290 Dukes. Are they Super Dukes? I don't know. It's a nice spirited ride. A couple of guys we've never met before. But it looks like the guy at the back here has got a nice end can on his KTM now.
GoPro.
Yeah, but the one at the back there looks like a Leo Vinci one. He's got taste if it is.
It's an SC project or whatever.
Oh, alright. You pair of knobs!
We better pull up and wait for Stuart, haven't we? Let's pull up soon, but it's tight on him. He's probably gone home.
I said to him when I seen you turn right at that roundabout, I said, Stuart, we better push on to catch him up. And he went, yeah. And stayed behind the traffic. He'll come flying up in a minute. Alright. Oh, that's a nice co-op.
Oh, I missed it.
No, it's alright, it was. It's been there a while, but it's still, you need to remind yourself now and again that it's still a good co-op. Here he is.
Hey?
Here's Stuart.
Where?
I just heard him.
Talking to himself.
Yeah, he must be. Here he is. Stuart, come on.
Stuart? Hello. What, he's gone on?
Hang on, let me turn off Cliff Richards so I can hear you.
What's that car behind with lights on? Or is it a bike?
I think it's a bike coming up, right? Yeah, it's a bike. He's overtaking to catch up. Whoa! He was not hanging about.
He's on a ground bike.
That proper shit me up, and I'm not going to lie.
Here's that guy now.
Pulled up.
What has he done? Has he broke down?
So he can do it again.
Alright, that was a black S1000.
I remember the straight line.
Whoa! Right, that was an M1000, Baz.
I didn't see.
The guy that was in our lane was an M like yours. Left there, Dewey.
I'll be neutral.
Hey, what's up with that? It sounds a bit rough, that, Stuart. You put it in tractor mode. There's another M1000 bus.
1000?
Right.
Shit, he giving them away.
It must be. Might be the same guy. Alright. There's those KTM guys, Vaz.
Wait.
The KTM guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, they beeped.
No, that was me.
Yeah, and they did, and they waved. And they flicked the fingers like that. I went, Ratty! Is that an M? I went, yeah, there's loads of them around here now, mate.
Shit, so free today, including mine.
Yeah. You know what they're like, don't you?
Yeah.
They're like clips. And I'm not going to say the rest of it.
Every comes got one.
Alright, you knob. And
you've never let on.
2 knobs.
Anyone that's got
Your man with the yellow and black one had the best one though. He did a
I know, I've seen it. I did see that.
I like that.
Wonder what the black and yellow thing is, Jeff. It's a special edition.
He might have dropped it a couple of times and had to have it resprayed.
No, we've seen another one before, didn't we? At a petrol station, was it?
Oh, wasn't it? Yeah, black and yellow one this morning when we called into give it to some leads.
To get them £45 jump leads that Jay owes me the money for.
Take them back and say it didn't work.
It would have been cheaper to get a battery, Jay. Mums have been telling you about that battery. Watch all the sun.
Boy, what's it doing?
It'll be getting in your eyes in a minute. Oh bump, oh bump, oh bump. Oh, just nearly hit you, boss.
Where do you want to aim for?
I do not like this sandy car park. It's a lovely convertible car.
Oh, there's a space right here where this guy's parked. Oh, there.
Yeah, it's just park here for a minute. And then
Bruce Lee and Jackie Chan.
wait, do you reckon I'll be alright here actually? I'm more on the road, aren't I? Oh bump. 22 I think, this place, Woodmouth Bay. Rating out of 22. Well, did I say out of 22 with that place that the score was going to be? I think just for the views alone I'll give it a solid 22 out of 22. I think that's the first place we've been to that's had a full score.
Only because of the Gambo.
Hey?
Only because of the Gambo, that's there. Hey, look at that Corvette.
Oh yeah, new one. I think I'll say a thank you to the members now while I try and remember the name, but from now on I think I'm just going to have to flash them up on screen or something. So here goes Yegsy, Matthew, Dan, Jørgen, DanT, the Theonlyredspecial, and the official biker guys, aka My Stacy, and whatever the guy's name is. Which, I'm only joking. It's Dave. Yeah.
We're going to have to get some post-its to put on your dashboard.
Yeah. Thank you for being members. And thanks to everyone else that subscribed. That's a nice bridge. What bike's he on?
GS1200.
Get me, mint bike.
Hold on.
What did you do then?
One looking where I was going.
Alright. You knob. Nice dogs.
Can't believe you didn't pull your clutch in for him.
Better start believing. This is a lovely bridge over the A30, this.
I fancy I thought Fireblades had the exhaust in the middle.
Under the seat? Yeah, they changed, didn't they? I think that's the same shape as the one my neighbour had. Hey Stu.
Hi guys.
This guy's meant out riding, Stuart.
Hey?
This bloke's absolutely meant out riding.
Is he?
Yeah.
Is that why I'm struggling to keep up?
Aye, so the guy's just going along at 60, 70, not even braking.
Just a solid rider.
Definitely a policeman or something, I think. We should have gone that way.
No.
Loads of people have gone that way.
Yeah, that's to Tavistock, innit?
We just follow him into his drive.
Yeah.
So we're in for a brew, mate.
just overtake you, Jed.
Yeah. Over the solid white lines and knob. I'm going, Stuart.
Jed?
Hey?
Jed?
Yeah?
Is that a joke?
What?
What was you doing?
Saving petrol. See, when I put my elbow on my knee there.
Yeah.
Yeah, easily get your elbow down. We just had to stop at McDonald's for a milkshake. The battery went before, so we've lost a lot of footage, haven't we, Stu?
Oh, some epic stuff.
Oh, it was legendary.
It was that shot as you were going along and that fighter jet came in next to you,
oh,
and then you just blew him away.
Your cat's sponsoring the video today, isn't it, Stu?
Big bad baddie.
Barry, Stuart's cat, sponsoring the video right there. Thanks to Barry the cat, because without Barry we wouldn't have been able to do this video today. That's a nice KFC. Stuart, what was the Ma Trout fact?
That it was apparently old Cornish for wet your throat.
There you go.
Well, that's what Wikipedia said. Where are you going?
Oh. What?
Where are you going? I'm following the bus. What the fuck?
You ignorant prick. Might want to get in front of these two for the bands.
I'm out of time now.
No, I still got loads of time for the band. Oh bump, oh bump, oh bump. From what I can see in the mirror air bars, I think it looks like a jacket potato fresh out the oven. It's bloody roasting. Yes. What? Oh.
Oh, you make me...
Oh, they stopped for no reason.
Yes.
Not bad. Christ. What are the... What are you looking at? There's nothing there. Oh, I hope that shows on camera. Breaking the neck to look right when there was clearly nothing coming. I'm having a moan. I reckon, Stuart, that you GS riders are in your own little bubble and you don't care what's going on with anybody else on the road.
Years ago, it used to be one of the most expensive bikes you could get.
There might be a snobbery to them. Do you think there's a snobbery to them, Stuart?
I don't know. I mean, I don't think that you're, you know, quite the right kind of character to ride one yourself.
Yeah, you're probably right. You're going... Oh, I thought you were going left, Stuart. No.
I'm just going to come drop off your
the jump leads
so
off.
that you can go on your bike.
Oh, yeah, nice one, yeah.
It's been good having a service vehicle with us today.
Need a piss that bad, it's hurting.
Are you doing the bends? Makes you ache. Oh, it's the MotoGP today as well, isn't it?
What?
The MotoGP today, that's something to look forward to tonight. Watch that one again, can't I? There we go, quick little progress. Walls are higher, steel's up. Well, the steel's always been up, but block and two's on the top. Oh, and that's lovely insulation, I must say myself. It's really nice insulation. Goodbye, everybody. You saying bye, Stu?
Bye.
That was a lovely bye.
Water your trout.
Buzz, are you saying bye, Buzz? His helmet's off. He didn't, but I'm sure he said bye in his mind.